Someone pinned it. There's pins in here. I don't understand what is going on. Who gave me this fabric? Hi there, Michelle here, also known as Fancy Dinosaur Tea Party, and welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to be going through / finding all of my old fabrics that I lost. Also, if you're new to my channel and you like sewing, crafting, crocheting, and thrifting, why not hit that subscribe button? If you have watched my previous video of me going through my entire fabric stash and organizing it, I have mentioned that I had more fabrics that I just didn't have on me because they are in the attic. And I just have not went through the attic in a very long time. And I'm like, you know what? There's some really good fabrics that my Oma had given me. There's some fabrics that I had bought previously that are in there, and I need to find them. I don't know the condition of them. Hopefully they're okay. And then also finding these fabrics, I'm gonna have to find a place to put them. So that's like another thing why I was like putting it off for a really long time. Is like, well, once you find the fabrics, what are you gonna do with the fabrics? I'm not gonna put them back in the attic. Gotta think of something. I guess that's what I have to do now because I can't do the video without having the fabrics. So I'm gonna go into the attic, which is over there, and see if I can find my fabrics. Okay, that's the attic. As you can see, I got some guitar boxes, an old TV, which I kind of was wondering where that went. I haven't been here in a while. Also, look at it. Faux wood paneling of my dreams is in the attic. Great. Spooky, right? But I gotta go through this. My house is really old, so this is one of the probably original beams to the house. This is actually right on top of my kitchen. Yeah, so I think I'm gonna take that TV out. Like, that's gonna be my TV. I'm gonna use that TV. I'm gonna put one of my masks on because I am not gonna be sneezing for the rest of this video. Okay, I think we have some fabrics in here. Some cat posters from when I was in elementary school. All these ones. Sleeping cat. Something I did, I think, in grade 9 art class. Peak 2000s at its finest. I think this was high school. Okay. I think this might be my fabric stash. What else is in here? What is this? Oh. If anyone wants me to do a video of my mid-2000 days and all my purses and accessories, let me know, because that's what's in here. I went through the attic. Thankfully, they were all near the front, so I didn't have to dig too much, although I was looking for something different, and I found that I put them all in a box. I don't remember doing that. When I put all this in there, that was probably like 2010, Michelle, so I was not into sewing whatsoever. I had my current sewing machine at the time. I just wasn't really into sewing. I wore a mask in there because I know my nose is gonna get a mess, and it's probably gonna be a mess with all these fabrics. I have this bag here. I think that this is just old clothes that I kept to use as fabrics. These frog pajamas that I think I got in like 2001. And then I have these turtle pajamas, I think, yeah. There's gonna be a lot of stuff in here from like 2005, 2006 or earlier. So I have that. This just looks like it's pajamas I thought I could use as fabric. So that's what this is. Okay, I think this is more fabrics. I think this is like fabrics. Okay, I'm seeing this fabric. This here was one of the very first, this and another one was my very first thrifted bed sheets to use as fabric, and I think I bought this in 2005. Obviously I sewed something here and then cut it. I don't know what that was. And then I have another piece. It's like polka dot with these little green neon bows. Okay, this is cute. I could make a really cute top with this. There's a lot of it. Where did I even get this from? I don't know. This fabric, which is super adorable. Like, look how cute and vintage this is. This is actually used to hang like our top stair window facing outside. It's this little window, and there was 2 of these. I think I used another one for fabric at one point, and I think these came from my great-grandmother's house. So I'm not too sure what I would do with this. Maybe like a cute little tote bag or something. I don't think it's big enough to make a shirt out of. I think this was a top at one point. Don't worry, it's not like mice got into my stuff and tore this thing apart. I probably did. For what reason, I'm not too sure. Oh, this is cute. Look at that, it's turtles. I love turtles. This would make a really cute top. How much fabric is this? Oh, It just keeps going. This is adorable. I know it's probably for children, but come on, there's turtles and there's flowers. I'm going to do something with this. I would love to make a dress, but I don't think there's enough for a dress, or maybe like the top, and then I can do a dress different. What is this? What is this? Like, I'm finding this stuff and I'm like, I would have never cut this up and I would have never bought it. So I'm thinking at one point, it's kind of coming back to me, but I was given a box or a bag of just a bunch of scrap fabric, and I think that's where a lot of these are coming from, because like this turtle fabric, I would have not bought this when I was 17. I would buy it now, but I wouldn't have bought this when I was 17. So I want to say this came from somebody, because I don't understand what this is. I'm 95% sure I was given a box of stuff, so that's where all this stuff comes from. This is super cute. I wonder what this was. This is adorable. I would have never cut this up. There's a pocket. I think I bought this at a garage sale and I put it on my cat a long time ago. A lot of plaid, like a lot of this cut up plaid. 2 pieces. Some 90s, 80s fabric right here, that's for sure. Got some pants. I might try these on. They might actually look kind of cute. They look high-waisted. I'm finding everything in this box right now. This fabric I do remember buying, and I think I bought it at a little fabric store. I don't think they really have like mom and pop fabric stores anymore, but I think that's where I got this from. Where the rest of it is, I don't know. That's a mystery. And I know I got fabric from my Oma, but I don't see it in here. So I know this isn't from her, but this is still pretty good. That's still pretty good fabric. Okay, there it is. Does this look familiar to anybody? Because it should. But look how vibrant this is. This is so freaking vibrant. The one that I have is like muted, like very, very muted. So this here is the dress that I made last year out of the thrifted bed sheets that I found. I recognized this pattern immediately when I saw it in the store, that I had some before, but I honestly thought it was like the exact same colors. And it is 100% the same print, because I laid this down over top of my dress and look, they line up. So I'm thinking maybe someone had put this in bleach at one point, because it is so faded and it's not worn. Like, it's in great, like this is in great condition. It's just very faded. So I think this accidentally went in bleach at one point in its lifetime, but it would have been so cool if it was still these vibrant colors. Okay, so that was a skirt at one point. I found the top half of it. Ah, oh. Someone pinned it. There's pins in here. I don't understand what is going on. Who gave me this fabric? More of that really nice fabric. I know I have more. That's my problem, is like I know I have more of this stuff. This is cute. I think this was from my Oma, because I'm like, what am I gonna do with this like little square? Like, what am I gonna use it for? This is adorable. I think this would look great on like, you know those denim jackets that people have been putting like embroidery or their own big patches on the back like this? I think that would look really cute, which I did do at one point. So I'll put that tutorial up on here if you're interested in watching it. It was like one of my very first YouTube tutorial videos. That's what I did. I got some fabric and I put it to a denim jacket. Again, with these, I don't get it. It looks like it was a top. Okay, it looks like that dress. Okay, I'm putting some pieces together. Sorry, it's Northern Traditions. You know I'm a Northern Traditions, Northern Reflections type of gal, so finding that's kind of neat. This would have been such a cute dress, and there's like a little tie in the back, and someone just cut it. That makes me a little upset. I think I got this from a dollar store, not to be confused with a Dollarama. I'm talking about those mom and pop shops from the 90s. I think this is where I got this from. This looks very, very familiar. I think there was a strap on it at one point, maybe? I don't know. I don't know. Why is that in there? Why is that in there? Why is there a Teletubby in my fabric stash? What did I put in here? Oh, I kept a little Barbie comb in here because of, you know, Lala's hair and all that. Is there a Teletubby in my fabric stash? I don't know. Okay, and I also have an angry M&M. There's also like this going on. It's just scraps and yarn. This video was me trying to discover old fabrics and like what could I do with them and like planning out possibilities, and now it's just me cleaning out a box full of trash. Oh, look at that. One of my very first sewing projects. Where's the bottom? Why is no bottom on here? Yes, this is one of my very first sewing projects I remember doing. I strangely remember this fabric. There's 2 pieces of it. I could use that for something. It's a good, nice, thick corduroy, so that could be handy. A button. I think this button goes with this. I'll keep it. You know I love a good button. Cool, 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 cool. I think I left the creepiest thing to last. Don't worry, it's not a dead mouse or anything, but it's Furby. $19.99. There's a little Furby tag. I think this is one of the little mini Furbies. It was like, there's like the big Furbies, and I think this is like a little one. I would put batteries in it, but I don't want to summon the devil. So I'm not gonna put batteries in him for obvious reasons. It's a Furby. That is not all my fabric, but I don't want to go back into the attic. Like, I know I got more. My favorite pieces that I found today was this curtain, and that's the thing, is that I know there's a second curtain to this, so I know this can't be all my fabric. This piece of fabric right here, which I'm not too sure what to do with, but it is darling. And then of course, this turtle fabric, which I have no idea where it came from, but it's cute, and I'm gonna do something with it. The creepiest find of this Furby. I think that's where I'm gonna end the video for today. I know I have more fabric. I know I had more fabric that my Oma gave me. I don't know where it is then, as I was pretty sure it was in the attic, but then again, I didn't dig too deep. I just kind of looked in the first few boxes, and then I'm like, I'm out of here. So maybe one day I'll clean my attic. I think if you guys really want me to go back into that attic and go through all of my preteen and teen style choices, let me know, because that's basically what's in there right now. And then maybe I'll find that fabric. But for now, I did find some good pieces, and I do have some ideas. That will do it for this video. If you're new to my channel, like sewing, crafting, crocheting, and thrifting, why not hit that subscribe button? You can also follow me on my Instagram and my TikTok, which is the same, Fancy Dinosaur Tea Party. I think that is it, so y'all have a good day now.